welcome back to the Happy Way Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making vegan pancake cereal. So what I'm going to be using is the Happy Way vanilla vegan protein powder. However, if you wanted to make a chocolate version, you could use the chocolate protein and the Happy Way cacao. I'm using some ripe bananas, I've got some rolled oats, some maple syrup to garnish, and some chopped figs and raspberries to garnish as well. And I'm going to be using some almond milk. So it's really simple. I'm simply going to be adding the protein powder, the banana, the almond milk and the oats into the blender, blending that mixture until it's nice and smooth. And then I'll pour the mixture into this sauce bottle, and in a preheated pan that I've got a bit of coconut oil in, I'm going to simply cook little 20-cent piece size pancakes. Cook them until they're nice and golden, flip them, and then once they're nice and crispy, I'm going to simply pour them into a bowl, garnish with some chopped fruit of my choice, the maple syrup, and I'm also going to top it off with some coconut yogurt.